everyone, Julie Lewis here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and I am delighted to present to you a ground floor condo at 660 Gordon Street, Unit 113 in Whitby. This ground floor condo has 1 bedroom and a den. We have a living room and a kitchen, lots of amenities, and it's fully renovated. Let's check it out. As we continue through the hallway after the den, we have some additional storage space and this perfectly appointed kitchen with all of the appliances that you need. And you even have a breakfast bar where you can enjoy your meals with your family. And best of all, we have this huge combined living room where you have sliding glass door to your private patio. So this awesome condo has an incredible layout. Upon entry, you have this beautiful foyer with some closet space and your own ensuite private laundry. And if you continue through here, we have a den. This den can be converted into an office. It can be converted into a guest bedroom. And right now we have it as a dining room. Pretty cool, huh? We're in your main bedroom now in the primary where you have beautiful laminate flooring, a huge window to let all of that natural light in, and you have a walk-in closet. There's really nothing for you to do, just move in. This ground floor unit has an exquisite bathroom, completely finished. It's perfect. Thank you so much for taking a tour with me of this awesome 1-bedroom plus den condo on the main floor at 660 Gordon Street, Unit 113. You are so close to the water. You have beautiful finishes throughout. It's the perfect condo for you. If you're interested, you should move quickly and put an offer by calling that number above. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest homes for sale.